Hello friends, welcome back to Shreya's cooking channel. Today let's see the recipe for healthy no sugar pudding. For this recipe I've taken one sweet ripe apricot. Cut the apricot into small pieces. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. If we want the pudding to be sweeter, we can add more honey. I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of coconut milk and blend this to a smooth paste. I'm using 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. I'm going to add little by little and mix it with the blended juice. Once we are done mixing, we can refrigerate this for 2 to 3 hours or even overnight. I just got this out of the fridge. Now we can add some fresh fruits on top of it. We can use any fruit. I'm using fresh apricot. We can also use nuts as toppings. Try this healthy chia seed and apricot pudding loaded with antioxidants and post your comments. And also please subscribe to Shreya's cooking channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.